This is gonna be a short set of videos. This is my '07 Grand Prix GXP. Got the, where is it? I think it's down here somewhere. Yeah, neato. Here's the side. I like it. It's red. It's got tints on it. There's the back. There's the back tire. So my plastic shit's falling off, but oh well, shit happens, right? There's that one. And this is gonna be a cold start because I haven't started it yet, so let's see how well it picks up the sound. So as you can tell, it's definitely not stock. I'll put it a little closer. And that concludes part one.